Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you all my wrestling movies now. I got Ready to Rumble. I got The Scorpion King. Got Walking Tall. I got The Condemned. I got The Rundown. This is called The Rundown, I think, in America. Got that on Blu-ray. Got Nacho Libre. Got See No Evil. Got The Marine on Blu-ray. Got Behind Enemy Lines Colombia. And last, I got The Wrestler on Blu-ray. Yep, that's my movie collection. Bye.